Here we have number 5. It's power of a product property. That's another word for this expanded power. So notice how there's an x and a y inside the parentheses, right? Do you see that exponent of m? It's given to everything, the x and the y. All right? That's the idea here, right? So this 2, right, for the exponent is going to be given to everything here. So that 2 is going to be given to the 5. So that's going to be 5 to the second power. Then the 2 is going to be given here, which is going to be multiply. So you have x to the 2 times to the power 2. 5 squared is 25. And then 2 times 2 is 4. There you go, 25x to the 4th. Same thing here. This negative 3 is going to be given out to all of these. But before I do that, why don't I just deal with the negative? Do you see how this is a negative? Okay, I'm going to bring it down. So it becomes parentheses 2x to the negative 2. But this becomes a positive 3. Do you see that? Because I brought it down. Okay, so let's just do that. 1 over 2 to the third power. Then you have x negative 2 times 3. So we have a 1 on top. 2 to the third power is 8. And x negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. But again, this is the negative 6 power. We can't leave it as a negative power. So we're going to bring it up. So this becomes x to the 6 on top. That 8 stays with the bottom because it has the exponent of 1 here. Okay, so it stays on the bottom. Right, so let's do C. Again, notice how there's a negative 2 here. Right, it's on top, so we're going to bring it down. So here we're going to have 1 over parentheses 2x to the 11th power. We close that. Now the exponent here is a positive 2. All right, so we're going to give that 2 to everything here. 2 to the second power, and then x to the 11 times 2. So it's 1 over 4, x to the 22 would be the final answer.